So same FRQ, new question. What is the average rate of change? Keywords there are, it's not saying average rate, it says average rate of change of the traffic flow. What is the average rate of change of the traffic flow over the time interval 10 to 15? So they want to know, on average, how is the traffic flow changing during this time period? There's a formula here that says on the golden notes, the average rate of change of some function f can be found by simply comparing different values of f. So that's what I did on my calculator. Let's make this a little bigger. So I typed into my calculator, y1 again is capital F, and I find the value of capital F at time 15 compared to the value of capital F at time 10 divided by the time period. That turns out to be this number. It's 1 point for having the answer. You have to have the right units to get the answer as well, or to get that point. So you could have done this. Let's grab the calculator real fast. Here's my formula for F. You could, for example, this is okay to write with this to get the full answer, but another way to do it would be to say, okay, so let's go alpha y1 at time 15. So the traffic flow is 85.752 at hour 15. So 85.752. That's how many cars per minute are flowing at minute 15. I compare that to how many cars were, what the traffic flow was at time 10. Traffic flow was only 78.164. 78.164 is the traffic flow at hour 10. So that's this many cars per minute, subtract this many cars per minute, and I find out I need to use the stored values. So I'm going to grab these, enter, minus $7.588. So over those 5 minutes, the flow increased by 7.588 cars per minute. That increase occurred over a 5-minute time period. Need to make sure I convey everything to the grader, so I put over here 5 minutes, or I can show the difference. It's probably a little bit safer. This is a perfectly valid answer. This would get you the full point as well as doing this. So